Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Dear students, open your countdown book for. Students, today we will cover question number 7, 8 and 11 of page number 115. So question number 7 is convert the following. Students, if we convert kilometer to meter, we will multiply by 1000, and if we will convert kilometer to centimeter, first we will convert value into meter and then we will convert the value in centimeter by multiplying the value 1000 and then we will multiplying that value by 100 again. And if we are supposed to convert the value from kilometer to millimeter, so first we will convert the value into meters, then we will convert it into centimeter and then we will convert it the value in millimeters. Dear students, we will convert the kilometers to millimeters step by step. Students, same in the case with the millimeter to centimeter to meter and to kilometer. If we are supposed to convert millimeter, that is the smaller unit, to the bigger unit, that is kilometer, so we will convert the value that is given in millimeters to centimeter first, then meter and then kilometer. We are going to follow 3 steps to convert the value from millimeters to kilometer. That is, we will divide the value by 10 to convert it into centimeter, and then we will divide the same value by 100 to convert into meters, and then we will divide the answer that we get by 1000 to get the value into the kilometers. A 400 kilometer. Dear students, we convert this kilometer into centimeter. Dear students, as you know that kilometer is a larger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit in kilometers and centimeter. So we convert this kilometer into centimeter, but 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we multiply by 1000, then we convert this into meter and then we convert meter into centimeter. So let's check. Student, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So first we convert this kilometer into meters and then meters into centimeter. So first step is we convert this kilometer into meter. So we just multiply by 1000 because kilometer and meter, kilometer is a larger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So 400 multiplied by 1000 meters. So now we multiply 4 multiplied by 1000 is 400,000 meters. Now as we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we convert this meter into centimeters. So we just multiply by 100. We multiply by this value 400,000 multiply by 100 centimeters. So we get this answer 40 million centimeter. So here we write 40 million. 13 kilometer 15 meter. Dear students, now we convert this unit into centimeters. So first we convert this kilometer into meters and let's check. Okay students, we convert this unit into centimeters. First we convert this kilometer into meters. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we just multiply by 1000, 13 multiplied by 1000 plus 15 meter. Now 13 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 13,000 meter plus 15 meter. Now both units are same. Now we add 13,000 plus 15. 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 1, 1, this 0 as it is, 3 as it is, and 1 as it is. So the value we get, that is 13,015 meters. Now dear students, we convert this meter into centimeter. As we already know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So meter is a larger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. So we just multiply by 100. So 13,015 meter multiply by 100 centimeter. So now we just multiply, that is 13,01500 centimeter. So we get the answer in centimeters. So 1,301,500 centimeter. Okay students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 7 by yourself. Question number 8, convert the following as required. A, 300 meter. We convert this meter into kilometer. Dear students, in kilometer and meter, meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is a larger unit. So as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we will divide by 1000. Okay students, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we convert this meter into kilometer. We will divide it by 1000. So 300 divided by 1000. So 300 divided by 1000. Okay students, this 0 replace this 0, this 0 replace this 0, and this 0 replace 3, and this one replace as decimal. So answer we get, that is 0.300 kilometer. Dear students, as we already know that these two zeros are unnecessary, so we cut. So the answer we get, that is 0.3 kilometer. So here we write 0.3 kilometer. B, 25 millimeter. We convert this millimeter into centimeter. In millimeter and centimeter, millimeter is a smaller unit and centimeter is a larger unit. As we already know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So we will divide it by 10. So now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 25 divided by 10. Students, we already know that if we divide any number with 10, 100 and 1000, we just move the decimal. So here we divide 10. So move the decimal to the left side. So here in 10 we have 1 0. That means after decimal we have 1 value. So the answer we get, that is 2.5 centimeters. So 25 millimeter is equal to 2.5 centimeter. C, 90 centimeter. We convert this centimeter into meter. Centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is a larger unit. And we already know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will divide by 100. 90 divided by 100. This 0 replace this 0, this 0 replace 9, and this one replace decimal here. So the answer we get, that is 0.90. This 0 is unnecessary, so we cut. So the answer we get, that is 0.9 meter. So 90 centimeter is equal to 0.9 meter. Dear students, you will do the remaining parts of question number 8 by yourself. Question number 11 is, Write the suitable unit of length for the following measurements. A. Height of your friend. Dear students, you measure your friend height in centimeter and meter. Meters and centimeters. So meter and centimeter. B. The thickness of the door. Dear students, we measure the thickness of the door in millimeter and centimeter. Millimeters and centimeter. C. The height of the window. Dear students, the height of the window we measured in meters. D. The thickness of the cardboard. Dear students, we measured the thickness of the cardboard or any other thing. So we measured the thickness in millimeters or centimeters. But the thickness of the cardboard is in millimeters. E. The distance between your house and your school. Yes, dear students, the distance between your house and your school is the long distance. So we measure the long distance in kilometers. F. The thickness of your maths book. So dear students, we measure the thickness of the maths book in millimeters and centimeters. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.